How's it going, guys? Will Collect here. Today I want to show you guys some basketball cards. As you guys may or may not know, the top three products right now are Prizm, Optic, and Select. So Prizm is definitely number one. Their card prices are usually cost a premium, and their cards are hold the most value. Um, Optic over the past few years has really almost caught up to the same level as Prizm, but just a little bit a small step down. But regardless, Optic is still well sought after, and a lot of people are going after Optic, thinking that one day it will overtake Prizm. Now, Select. Typically, when people mention Select, they think of football. So so therefore it's not as sort of well sought after as the Prizm and Optic. So having said that, what we have in front of us are 2019 2020 blaster boxes. One is from Prizm, the other one is from Optic. I wish Select has a blaster box too, so I can compare all three products, but I don't think such thing exists in Select. But anyways, so Prizm blaster got 6 packs and 4 cards per pack, 24 cards in this box. Optic has 28. For Optic, there is the blaster exclusive rated rookie signature checkerboard number 2-1. It'd be nice if we pull that. Obviously, Zion Williamson is what everybody's looking for right now. Now Prizm does not. Here, look for blaster exclusive green pulsar and purple wave Prizm. So that's exclusive to Prizm, and one autograph or memorabilia card in this box. It says $19.99. It's nowhere near that price on the box there. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I think somewhere around $80 to $100. I think it's close to $100. And Optic is, I think it's like $20 cheaper than the Prizm. So as you can see, they're both very expensive products. So I'm going to start with Optic. All right, so let's open this up. I just noticed this 7 inserts or parallels per box. That's good. Okay. All right. Oops. All right. Empty. Okay. So let's open the first pack. So we have Taco Fall from Celtics, Joe Harris, Joe Embiid, blue border, non-number, Zach LaVine. That's the first pack. Okay, Justin Robinson. Rookie. Mikel Fultz. And we have a Express Lane, Russell Westbrook. Very nice insert. And John Collins. Okay, we got a no-name rookie, Luka Semenic, or Semenic. No name. Actually, this is rookie here. All right, Jonas from Grizzlies, and Joel Dumars from Piston. Insert. Bojan Bogdanovic. Nice. All right. Let's keep going. Got a rated rookie, Brendan Clark from Grizzly. Very nice. Jay Crowder. T-321 Joe Embiid. And Porzingis from Dallas. Got Cody Martin, rookie. Andre Drummond. And we have a Moses Malone, 76er, a veteran. Nice card. Alonzo Trier. All right, second to the last pack here. DeAndre Hunter from Hawks, rookie. And Danilo Gallinari. And look at this, Zion Williamson, my house. Yes. All right. Nice Zion here. Very nice. Love it. Klay Thompson. Last pack. Got Keldon Johnson from Spurs. Shabazz Napier. Kyle Kuzma. A hollow, silver hollow. It's not number or anything. Tobias Harris from 76er. Very nice. Okay, so that is Optic. Okay, so definitely I'm going to put this up here. From Zion Williamson. Very nice. All right, let's move on to Prizm. Yeah, Zion Williamson, Ja Moran. Those two are the big players that people wanted to get. The hottest players right now. Okay. Put this box back. So a little bit to that, and let's start. All right, we have Gorgui. I think that's how you say it. Darius Garland, Cav, rookie. Oh, Darius Garland, a Pulsar refractor. Very nice. I'm running out of space here. Actually, I'm going to just put them together. Vince Carter. We have DeAndre Fox, Kings. Jimmy Butler. Kevin Durant. NBA finalist. Insert. Okay. And then we got Josh Jackson. Frank. D'Angelo Russell. And we have Cameron Johnson from Suns. Instant Impact insert. Very nice. And Spencer. Ellen. Okiki, rookie. Derek Favors from Pelican. And this is the silver hollow. Very nice. Allen Iverson, veteran. Okay, last two packs. Zubac. Nicole Alexander Walker, a patch. When it was upside down and I was looking at this pose for a second there, I thought it was Zion Williamson, because look at the same pose as Zion Williamson. So my heart kind of skip a beat there, kind of tricked me there. But that was nice. Victor Oladipo. It's a green refractor or hollow. And then we got Otto Porter Jr. Okay, last pack. Ilyasova. Got Bruno Fernando, rookie. Donovan Mitchell, dominance. And Ray Allen from Heat. Alright, so that is the comparison between Optic and Prizm. Let me just go over a couple cards here. So we got for Optic, we got these are inserts, and we got one, it's a silver hollow. These are the inserts, and blue Joel Embiid here. And then are any of these number? I don't think so. Oh, this one is kind of interesting. It's like a Copic there. All right. And for the rookies, DeAndre Hunter, Cody Martin, Brandon Clark, and No Name, and Justin Robinson. The no name one is Luka. And then for Prizm, I'm pretty happy. Oh, and not to forget, we got Zion Williamson, my house card here. Very happy about this. And then on the Prizm side, we got rookies. We got Bruno Fernando, Okiki, and Darius Garland. I'm pretty happy with this one. The refractor there, Darius Garland base. Got this patch right here, and these are the inserts, and or the green variant here, the silver hollow there. Cameron Johnson, instant impact insert, Kevin Durant, dominance of Donovan Mitchell. All right, so what do you guys think? What's your favorite basketball product? I was gonna show you guys Select, but there's no blaster box for Select. So between these two, not to mention the the price, but what do you guys think about the the design of the cards? What's your favorite? Leave your comment below, and hope you guys enjoyed this. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. And until next time, have a good one, guys.